Here you go. Can you open it? Open.
What's inside?
Oh.
What do you
It's a
see?
card. What is it? Moon? What else? Another moon? Stars. What does it say? Who's it from? Is it from Auntie Kendra? Auntie Kendra? Can you say Kendra? Very good. You know who else? Grandma and Pop-Pop. And Grandma. Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
What else is on the card? What's this? Is it a sheep? What does the sheep say?
Bye.
Okay, say bye-bye, Grandma and Pop-Pop. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And Auntie Kendra?
Good.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.